The fitting of lock body on new door requires 6068 size slot. If it is necessary to drill holes, it is recommended that the door factory or professional personnel carry out operation. Put the lock body into the side slot and fix it with 4 screws at the 4 corners. If you need to change the direction of the handle, remove the screw indicated by the arrow, turn the handle to the desired direction, and then retighten the screw. Tighten the 2 screws at the upper and lower ends of the front panel. The square bar is fixed with a self-elastic pin. Press the pin and insert the bar into the handle hole of the front panel. Make sure the pin is fixed so the bar will not easily loose and fall off. After the power wire and the panel is connected, push the panel with square bar through the lock body along with the wire, then connect wire with another panel then assembled on square bar. Make sure the anti-lock paddle is inserted into the anti-lock hole of the lock body. After opening the battery cover, tighten 1 screw inside and tighten another screw on lower end of the panel to secure. After the door lock is secured, install 4 AA batteries. Unlock test, type default password 123456 hashtag to unlock. Insert the key at the bottom and right turn it 90 degrees. Press the handle to unlock. After lifting the handle, the 3 locking tabs in the middle of the lock body will stretch out. It can be locked by the indoor panel knob. It can be used after all tests are done. Please take good care of your key. Please do not leave the key indoors, so that you can open the door in case of emergency.